He is an American competition swimmer who specializes in the individual medley but also competes in the breaststroke and butterfly events. He is an Olympic gold medalist. Family. His father named Mike Kellis. In an interview, his father Mike said that they are proud of their son. His mother named Kathy. His parents, Mike and Kathy, are his prime supporters. He has two sisters. His sister named Courtney. His sister Courtney was qualifying for the Olympic trials before 9th grade. His sister named Cassidy. P. Kelly, his sister. His parents. His parents with siblings. He has a brother. His brother named Connor Kellis. He has an estimated net worth of $3 million. He does have a lot of friends and he posted with them a lot on social handles. He was born on March 7, 1994. He was born in Bel Air, Maryland. Nickname Killer Kellis. He attended the University of Georgia from 2012 to 2017 and competed for the Georgia Bulldogs swimming and driving team. He was a three-time NCAA champion and American record holder in 400-yard individual medley. At the 2030 World Aquatic Championship in the Barcelona, he won silver in 400-meter individual medley. He won the 400-yard individual medley at the 2030 NCAA Championship in the Indianapolis as a freshman, finishing with a time 3.38.05. At the 2040 NCAA Division I Men's Swimming and Driving Championships, he successfully defeated his title and broke the American record in the 400-yard individual medley previously held by Taylor Clark with a time of 3.34.50. He qualified for the 2014 Olympic team in 400-meter individual medley. He won silver in the 2016 Summer Olympics. The 2017 FINA World Championships, he won gold in both of his events, setting new championship records. He is an Olympic gold medalist at 2016 Olympic Summer Rio de Janeiro and 2020 Summer Olympic in Tokyo. 2020 Summer Olympics, he won gold medal in the 400 meter individual medley with a time of 4.09.42 on day 2 of competition. Medal was the first medal for the US at the Olympic Games.